Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to TKrev Studio today. We've got something special in the house, the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. The active noise-canceling wireless earbuds that promise to elevate your audio experience. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews. Alright, let's unbox these beauties. Product: here's the box of the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. The packaging looks sleek and premium, typical of Samsung style. Inside the box, we have the Galaxy Buds Live themselves. A compact charging case, a USB-C charging cable, and some extra ear tips for the perfect fit. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features of these earbuds. First off, the active noise-canceling technology, perfect for blocking out distractions in noisy environments. Taking a closer look at the earbuds, you'll notice their unique bean-shaped design. They sit comfortably in your ears and offer a snug fit. Sound quality is paramount, and Samsung doesn't disappoint. The Galaxy Buds Live deliver crisp, clear audio with deep bass and balanced mids and highs. Whether you're into music, podcasts, or calls, these earbuds have got you covered. Battery life is crucial for wireless earbuds. These Galaxy Buds Live can last up to 8 hours on a single charge, and the case provides an additional 20 hours. That's impressive. Link in the description for product. These earbuds support Bluetooth 5.0, ensuring a stable and seamless connection with your devices. And if you're a Samsung user, the integration with Samsung devices is seamless. The touch controls on the earbuds make it easy to play, pause music, adjust volume, or take calls without reaching for your phone. Comfort is key for long listening sessions, and I must say, these earbuds are incredibly comfortable. You can wear them for hours without any discomfort. So to wrap it up, the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live are a fantastic addition to Samsung's lineup. With excellent sound quality, active noise cancellation, and a sleek design, they're worth considering if you're in the market for wireless earbuds. That's it for today's unboxing and review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or want to see more tech reviews, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.